Art students, I'm going to show you how to put a grid on top of an image in Microsoft Word. Not everybody has a printer, and so this is the route you'll want to take. One of the best tools you can use is to make sure that your ruler is visible on Word. And to do that, you're going up here on the top with this menu bar, click on View, and then make sure Ruler is clicked right there. All right, so now I need to insert my picture, so I'm going over to Insert. I'm going to click on Picture from File, and I've moved this image over to my desktop. So right here is my picture. Oh dear, this is from before, and I need to get rid of these so that I can do the example. Okay, so let's start fresh. This is actually a photograph that my son took in one of his photography classes. And to make this easy, it is 6.5 inches. And so I'm going to bring it in. Did I just move it? I did. Gotta kind of grab it by the corner. Gosh, always gets a little wonky here. So sometimes you have to play with things a little bit. All right. And get out of there. Okay. I want to maybe escape is what I need. There we go. All right. And okay. So now I'm going to add the lines onto this using the easy method, not the grid method, but the easy method. So to do that, I want to go to Insert. You would think it's Draw, but it's not. It's Insert. And you're going to go to Shapes. Because when you're in Shapes, you can do all of these lines. So we're going to take our line here. We're going to start at this corner, and we're going to bring a line all the way down to this corner. Okay. Now it's blue. It's hard to see. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to make it white. And just so that it shows up better on our video, I'm going to increase the weight to 1.5. All right, so that's one line. Now I'm going to do the same thing going the other direction. So I'm going to click on Line. I'm going to start in this corner, and I'm going to come over to this corner. All right, I'm going to make this white so it shows up again. And we're going to make the weight a little bit heavier so that you can see it. Okay, so now anytime you do two diagonal lines and they cross, this is always the center point. All right, so I need to now do a line coming straight down that center point and then another line this way going right through that center point. So a vertical line and a horizontal line, and then I'm done. So I'm going to click on my thing right here. And I'm not quite sure about eyeballing it up here. If you're worried about that, you can always start in the middle. I'm going to give it a shot, I guess. So I just want to make sure that I'm coming down through that center point. Okay. And so let me make it white so you can see it a little better. I'm going to increase the weight. Okay. And now I need one more. I need a horizontal line coming through. So there's my line. I'm doing pretty good here eyeballing it. So you can always play around with it. If you don't like your line, you can always go back, just delete it, start over. Not a big deal. We're not looking for perfection. We're looking for good enough. Okay, there we go. All right, so now when I go to draw this on my paper, remember, I'm going to draw the same grid line, okay, inside my box or inside my paper, and I'm just going to copy each section. So I'll draw, this is a spoon right here. So I'll probably start by drawing a contour line, which is an outline of the spoon. So I'm going to start in this section, and right where you see my cursor on my paper, I'm going to draw a contour line that follows the edge of this spoon. Okay. And then maybe I'll want to come around and highlight some of these water splashing shapes here. All right. And then the last step is to go ahead and shade it in. All right, good luck.